Secret lure still working. A couple more casts, a couple more bites. Once again, there was guys on 2 boats on my favorite spot, and I didn't stop. Needless to say, I don't need to be advertising how to catch fish. So this is only been out about 10 minutes. 3 bite. I missed one on this lure. I had him on halfway and he got off. So them guys moved away from my spot. So I come over here and I caught 3 already. I switched to a grubster. 16 incher probably. We'll get him off and get another cast out. Another beautiful day on Rainy Lake. Almost no wind at all. You can go to the lighter jig head. And them other boys, I guess weren't catching any, but I'm not having any problems. On a grubster. Number 7 for the day. I'm glad they left. Get him off. I haven't caught any real big ones yet. Mostly 16 inches. Number 9 coming in. The spot I'm fishing is a big reef, but there's a high spot on here that's not on the chips. It comes from 28 up to 13, and that's where they're at. And there's another one down there too. See the green? Oh, there's a whole bunch of them down there. Look at this. Oh. I'll let this one dance around a little bit more. Pretty good one. On a grubster. As many of them as are down there right now, I shouldn't have any trouble catching another one. If I can get this one in. On the grubster. That's a nice one here. That's about an 18. Let him go. Another one on the grubster. I'm throwing up on that 13-foot hump. On a hump. It's like, and then dragging it off. They're not on top, but they're like in 18 to 20 on the sides of it. I'm sitting in 24 here. Little guy though. We'll get him off. Been a while since I had a bite. I had to move. Different spot on the reef. Nice one. 17. On a grubster. Ooh, there's another one down there. I better hurry up. Next cast on the grubster. Oh, got off. I'll let it sink. Maybe he'll come back. That was a good one too. Darn it. Nope. Not coming back either. He did come back and I missed him. Let it sink down again. This one, the first one that got away there, he never got to the bottom. He grabbed it. But I'm marking a fish right under the boat, so leave this run for a second, see if he'll bite. Nope. Soft cast. Slightly different than yesterday, huh? Not a ripple. and I'm at 20 fish. So they're biting about as good, but they're not running quite as big. But look at that. Isn't that nice? Ah, what a beautiful day. Water at I started at 1 again, and the air temperature was 39, but when it's like this, you don't even notice.